Hey, Edgar, I'm a perrito. No, you got me again. Your beauty supplies are here, but it won't matter. Why? What is the meaning of life? And why do I have 9 of them? And when is dinner? Hey, what's up, my fellow felines? It's hard being a cat like us, right, guys? Meow money, meow problems. Okay. I just wanted a drink of water. Jeez. I don't have a pearl. Don't touch me! I'm gonna pass out. I'm gonna pass out. It was a Zoom call, so I skipped the pants. Sister Meowrium is a sleepwalking nun. You know, a Roman Catholic. What? My alarm didn't go off? No! I'm gonna miss my Meowthmatics exam! Damn! Listen, Greg, you fluff with me, you get the roly-poly! So what do you think, Gary? Can you fix it? Of course I can fix it. I've been a Meowcanic for 2 years. Wow. Ooh, let me help. You got the putter? I'll bring the flutter. Woohoo! We did it, buddy! Fan feels good on the old acorns. Peckerhead, huh? Lights, camera, and action. Sonic, don't make that hand gesture, bro.
I won the lottery, I hit the quackpot, and I'm quitting my job today.
Are those sour apple gummy worms? Righty,
Tidy,
lefty,
Lucy,
and that is how we
get the juicy.
got it. Do I smell baked beans?
I'm leaving you, Marcus. You're just too clumsy.
I am not! What is the air on? It is freezing in here. Golly! Let me pull my blanket in here.
The white tiger's so majestic.
If you want to see majestic, check out these nuts.
What do you want?
Hello.
Catching my leg.
Every time you lick it, she licks.
Stop.
Ow!
Shut up.
Who the hell are you talking to?
I'm telling you, I saw a roach over here.
Oh, yeah, roaches.
Okay, bro. There's a roach! Okay, you know my feet ticklish. Ooh, daddy, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is that a dog? Ah, that's a dog. Don't bring that dog. Don't bring that dog. He bringing that dog. Okay, we almost there. We almost there. Keep it right. All right. Right. Okay, we there. I'm gonna put my paw. I got one paw up. Hold it steady. Hold it steady for me. Hold it steady. Hold it steady. Hold it steady. Hold it. I found the fish. I found the fish. We found fish. Stop. Hell. Ow. Oh. Hey, mama, you call me? You call me, mama?
Look at this.
The number you agreed has been disconnected or is no longer in service. I'm not fighting, mama. They fighting over there. You said good dogs get good treats. Didn't you say that, mama? That's why I'm not fighting. They fighting. I'm not fighting. I'm not going to do what they do. See, mama, I'm being a good dog. Good dogs get good treats. That's what you said. It can't be that bad, bro. Let me see your hair. Oh, hell no. Please don't cut my nails. Stop! Oh. I was dreaming. Oh, man. Oh, that was a scary. Did my Uber just drive off? I'm gonna be late for my flight. Oh, man. I'm about to rabbit slap you multiple times.
Let me have the weight.
Put him down. Put him down.
Let me have the weight.
Yeah, this ain't no massage, lady. I'm leaving.
Let me go.
I'm back.
Mom, let me go.
I see you running. Did you eat some of my gas, too? Did you eat some of my gas there?
He crazy.
Okay. Hey, lady, you better put him down before I knock your kneecaps off. Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah! All I have to offer you is love, 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 love.
I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about.
Every time you lick it, she licks. Oh, Parsley, you look good. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Forrest.
Dale.